Hello and welcome to another episode of Grant James Property Tours. I'm Grant and this week I'm really excited to be touring the Clockhouse, the next episode of the multi-part series of the converted convent. So the convent was converted into 22 houses and apartments by a local developer in 1996. Each of the homes is very unique, all with different sizes, shapes and styles. And today we're going to be touring the centrepiece of this development. It was the original entrance to the convent, with the Gothic entranceway, the grand stone staircase and the original clock tower. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like for the algorithm. It will genuinely help me grow my channel. If you'd like more videos like this, please hit subscribe. Every week I'm going to be touring interesting period properties and inspirational design-led developments. And don't forget to check out my other videos too, including some other tours of different properties in the convent. I'd like to say a big thank you to the homeowner for giving me the chance to take this tour today and to be able to share it with you guys. This property is currently on the market with Seymours Prestige Homes, and you'll find the details of the listing and how to get in touch in the description below. I've really enjoyed making this video and there's lots to see here. If you have a look in the description, you'll see timestamps for each of the different parts of the tour, and I'd highly recommend hanging around to watch the clock. That really was my favourite part of this video. So let's go and take a look. So as you come in to the entrance vestibule, the first thing you see straight in front of you is a stained glass window depicting the War of the Worlds scene that Woking is famous for. This is a really nice big space, a fantastic detail on the door frames, and then coming through into the main hallway, again a really big space, plenty of room for a sofa. As you come in into the kitchen, this space is deceptively big. It features a Rayburn oven with plenty of cupboard space for storage, plenty of room for a big table in the middle to seat 8 people. And there's a door here out to the courtyard space that we'll go and have a look at when we get to the lounge. So coming back through the hallway, you notice that fantastic Gothic picture window straight in front of you, and then coming through these big Victorian doors into the dining and lounge area. And again, it's quite difficult to get a sense of size of this space. So to help, if I stand in front of this fireplace, you can see it's kind of up to my head. Hopefully makes you see the size of this room. Also in here we have access to the courtyard, which is a nice space to be able to sit outside in the warmer months to have barbecues. These ceilings are around 4 meters high, so this really does feel like a big space. So the centrepiece of this home is definitely this original Gothic staircase. Wow. With the original stone detailing and this huge Gothic window. As we make our way up the stairs, we have this fantastic gold leaf chandelier, and looking up, you can see the original wood panelled ceiling. This would have been the original way up from the ground to the first floor from the original convent. So we're going to start this tour with bedroom 1. And this is a really big space. So again, these ceilings are at least 3.5 metres tall. And you can see, get a sense from the size of these windows. We've got a double bed here and plenty of space in this room. This also features an ensuite bathroom with a double shower, a full-size bath and 2 basins. And this room also features a walk-in closet. So on the first floor, we're going to go down a couple of steps to the next 2 rooms. So this is bedroom 2. Currently set up as a games room. And you can see with the full-size pool table in the middle, this is a really big space. Again, over 3-metre high windows and the fantastic original window ironwork detailing that you'll see in every room in this property. So as well as having great views out to the front, also have a window onto the courtyard on this side too. Moving through, the final bedroom on the first floor is this great sized double. Again, with fantastic views out onto the trees at the front of the property. So this sits at the bottom of the clock tower that we saw from outside. And this room also features an original Victorian fireplace. Finally, on the first floor, we have another bathroom, which has a shower, sat behind the door, and a small basin and a toilet. So let's head up to the second floor. So up on the second floor, I have another 2 bedrooms. This is bedroom 4. Again, another really big space with great views out to the woodland outside. We have a double bed here and plenty of space. And bedroom 4. So again, this sits in the clock tower with fantastic views. Slightly different period detailing on the windows here, which is really nice. And this room also has an original Victorian fireplace. And then finally, on the second floor, we have a family bathroom. With a full-size bath and shower, toilet and basin. And before we head up to the third floor, there's actually a 2.5 floor. So we also have a small mezzanine space. So this would be excellent for putting a small desk, working from home, or maybe using it to display art. So let's go and check out the centerpiece, the third floor. And then here we are into the showcase room of this property, the original clock tower. So from here, we've got fantastic views around the site with windows in 3 directions. We have fantastic period oak beam ceiling and an original Victorian fireplace. And my favourite part about this room is the original clock mechanism. So the clock in the tower still works, Let's go up and take a look. Okay, and here is the original working clock mechanism. And it's really amazing to see. And the most exciting thing is it actually works. So let's get it started. Again, there we have it. Fantastic. This really is something that you don't see very often, especially in a private home. And this is really special, a really fantastic piece of history. This would definitely be my office if this was my home. So there's a couple of other extras in this property as well that we didn't go and look at. So there's a downstairs cloakroom with a clever storage space, and there's also a garage located at the other side of the site. So let's go and take a look around outside. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tour. If you did, please remember to give it a like for the algorithm and subscribe if you want to see more tours I'll be publishing every week. Thanks for watching and see you next time.